Good morning, students. In the previous class we have learned the exercise problems and word problems. I hope you are all complete the homeworks. Okay. Today we are going to learn about the estimating square root and cube root. Estimate the square root and estimating square root and cube root. Estimate the square root and cube root. We can estimate the square root and cube root of the given number with the help of the following table. With the help of the following this table. Okay. You have seen this the image on that side. Okay. So first column represent the number x. Okay. And second one of the column represent the square root of value of x. Square root of the value of x. And third column represent the cube root of x. Cube root of the given number. Okay. And fourth column represent the cube root of 10x. Cube root of the 10x. So the x value is given from the 1 to 94. 1 to 94. In your book the page number 57 it has that. Okay. You will see the image on the board. Okay. And now move it to the example problems. How to solve using this table. Using this table, how to find out the square root, cube root values. Okay. Let us see. Example 36. Okay, using the table, estimate the value of a. First problem, the square root of 55, and second one is 75. Okay, so see the solution. So square root of 55. Here x value is 55. X value is 55. See the table corresponding. Okay. See the value of 55 in the first column. Okay. Against the second column under the column of square root of x. Under the column of square root of x against of 55. Against the number 55. What is the value? The square root of 55 is equal to 7.416. Okay. So that is the answer. And next one B problem. Square root of 45.75 is given. Okay. So in this case we found the approximate difference of 1. Okay. Approximate difference of the 45 and 46. What is the difference of 45 and 46? 1. Okay. So approximate difference you have to find out for 45 and 46. That is the square root of 45. What is the value? What is the value of square root of 45? 6. See the table. Under the column of square root. Okay. So 6.708. And next to find out the square root of 46 is equal to 6.782. 6.782. Okay. So now find out the difference. Difference for 1 is equal to difference from this to this, subtract. So 6.782 minus 6.708. Subtract what we get? 0.074. Okay. Now we have find out the difference of this value. Okay, difference of 0.75, difference of 0.75 is equal to 0.75 into the difference of one value. What is that? 0.074. Okay, so multiply. So multiply these two values, what we get? 0.0555. So that is we have considered 0.056. Okay. Therefore, the square root of 45.75 is equal to, you can written as 45 plus 0.75. Okay, so 45 square root of 45 value is 6.708 plus 0.75 value is 0.056. So add these two values from the right side. So 6 plus 8, 14, 1, 6, 7, 6. So answer for this problem, the square root of 45.75 is equal to 6.764. 6.764. Okay. Then see the next example. 37. Using the table, estimate the following of each cube root. Okay. Estimate the cube root. Okay. So first one is given as square root. Here give it the cube root. Cube root of 350. First one. Cube root of 350. Okay. And second one of the problem. This is A. First we have complete A, after move to the B. Okay. So it is in the form of, so here 0 is there. So we can write in the cube root of 10x form. We can write. Okay. So how can you write the cube root of 10 into 35? Is it? Cube root of form is the cube root of 10x. Okay. So 10 into x value. So cube root of 10. The x value is 35. X value is 10x. We have considered like this. Okay. So what is the value of cube root of 350? 7.047. Okay. We will see in the which column? Third column. Okay. Third column against the number of 35. Against the number against 35, 7.047. Okay, that's it. And next B problem, cube root of 33.45. Okay, it can written as cube root of 33 plus 0.45. 0.45. Here also we have find out the difference of 1. So we have to find out the square root of 33 and 34. So sorry, cube root of 33 and 34. So cube root of 33 is equal to 3 point, from the table 3.208, and then cube root of 34 is equal to 3.240. Okay, now find out the difference. For 1 is equal to subtracted from to this one. Okay, so 3.240 minus 3.208. 32 0.032 we get. Okay, and then next difference Difference of what we get? Difference of 0.45 is equal to. Okay, next find out the difference of 0. So 0.45 into multiplied by the difference for 1. Okay, so difference of 1 is 0.03 t 32. Okay, 32 and multiply what we get? 0.0144. Okay, so therefore the cube root of 33.45 is equal to cube root of 33 plus 0.45. So what is the value of cube root of 33? 3.208 plus, have find out this value, cube root value. What is that? 0.0144. Add these two values, what we get? 3.2224. Okay, so the cube root of 33.45 is equal to 3.22 up to 3 decimal places. 3, correct, up to 3 decimal places. Okay, now say the exercise problems. Do you understand this concept? So the direct value is given, you have find out the value from the table, estimate table of cube root and square root. Okay, in case this kind of problem is given, you have the separate the decimal number. After find out the difference of 33 and 34, the difference for 1. After calculating the difference for 1 multiplicated to the 0.45, after add the final one, we get the answer for the cube root. Okay, exercise 3.6. First one, estimate the square root of the following number correct up to the 2 decimal places. 2 decimal places you have to find out. Okay, so first one, 23 square root. So see, the value of x is 23, is it? So the value of x is 23, the number against 23. Okay, under the cube square root of x, 23. What is the value? 4 point solution. X equal to 23. Therefore, the square root of 23 is equal to 4.796. That's it. Okay, and next B problem. 74.3. So here ask the correct up to the 2 decimal places. So 4.79. Okay, correct up to the 2 decimal places only asking. So write like this. Okay, 74.39. Find out the square root. Okay, find the square root. Solution, it can written as 74 plus, okay, first write the number. Okay, next step we'll write 74 plus 0.39. Now find out the value of square root of 74 and square root of 75. Okay, what is the value? 8 from the table, 8.602 and then 8.660. 8.660. Now find out the difference. for 1 is equal to 8.660 minus 8.602. So subtract this, what we get? 0.058. Okay, and next to find out difference of for 0.39 is equal to 0.39 into difference of 1. What is the difference of 1? Multiply these two values. Okay, so 58 into 39, 60, 72, 7, 52, 74, 26, 2. Okay, right. So what is the value? 0.02262. Because how many decimal points? Here 3, here 2. Total number of is 5. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So added 0 in this place. Write like that. Okay. And next one, the square root of 74.39 is equal to, what is the value? 74.0.39. 74 value is 8.602 plus 0.39 value is 0.062. Okay, so value is 8.624. Here 0.02262 is there. So omit this. 4268. Okay, and then we have need the 2 decimal places only. So 74.39 is equal to 8.62 up to the correct up to the 2 decimal places. Okay, so third one is homework. Now move to the second problem. First one homework. Second problem, find the cube root of the following number correct up to the 2 decimal places. Here you have to find out the cube root of 84.75. 84.75. Okay. So solution, so what is the value? Cube root of 84.75 is equal to, it can written as cube root of 0.75. Okay, so cube root of 84, cube root of 84, you will see in the column, third column, is it? Third column, cube root of 84, what is the value? 4.380. Okay, and then cube root of 85. 85 is 4.397. Okay, so now find out the difference for 1. Okay, the difference for 1 means subtracted 4.397 minus 4.38. We get 0.017. Okay. Now find out the difference of 0.75. Difference for 0.75 is equal to, what is the difference? 0.75 into difference for 1. Difference for 1 value is 0.017. Okay. So multiply 35, 49, okay, so 1275. How many decimal places are there? 3 plus 2, 5. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So multiple of this value is 0.01275. Okay. Now the cube root of 84.75 is equal to the cube root of 84 plus 0.75. Already found the value of cube root of 84. 84 value was 4.380 plus 0.75 value was 0.01275. Okay, now add these values. So 4.380 so 5, 7, 10 right 5, 7, 2, 9, 3, 4. So 4.39275 or cube root of 84.75 is equal to, you have to write 2 decimal places, correct up to 2 decimal places. So start with 4.39. Okay, that's it. And next one of the problem, C. $260 is given. 260 is given. Okay. So tens are there. So we have using the cube root of 10x. Cube root of 10x we have applied in this place. Okay. So cube root of 260 is equal to, it can written as 10x format. Okay, x is 26. Okay, that is the form of cube root of 10x. Okay, now see the corresponding value of 26 in the column, 4th column. Okay, so 26, so x value is 26. So against the column, the 4th column, okay, cube root of 10x, cube. So cube root of 10x, see the page number 57, the table, okay, table against the number 26. So what is the value of 6 point? What is the value of cube root of 260 is equal to 6.383 is the answer. Okay, so you have to write 2 decimal places only asking, so here is equal to 6.38. okay. I'll write the homework on that side. Homework 3.6. First is C, second is A, okay. So exercise 3.6 one C problem, second A problem, okay, and also complete the worksheet 1 and to fully do. Okay, and the third chapter, what is the third chapter? Square root, square, square root, cube, cube root. Okay, have completed. We have learned in this chapter how to square the numbers, how to cube the numbers, and how to find out the square root and cube root using the different type of methods, is it? So we have used the three methods: successive subtraction, units and digits method, ones and tens digit method, and then prime factorization method, and one more important method, log division method. Also we have find out the square root. Okay, I hope you are all understood the concept of in this chapter. Okay, if you have any doubt, you can ask your doubt to me. Okay, thank you students.